Hey, and I am here sharing the last kit for Week Conspiracy. This is week 4's kit, and we went to 49 and Market, one of my favorite companies next to the vintage collections from Simple Stories. Now, I did not take out any of the embellishments from their packaging just yet because I plan on doing that in video 1, sharing you the first layout that I do. So this one, it'll all be in the package. Sorry for the glare, but I did pull out the papers because I probably won't rifle through the papers. What I've been trying to do is only show you guys what I plan on working with per layout, but it ends up being like everything. Because I pull out the trays and whatnot. So for this one here, I've got these die cut pieces from 49 and Market's, I think it's Alena Collection. I'm not really sure, but here they all are. Look at how many you get. It says 71 pieces in this collection. All those frames and labels, all that stuff, okay? And then, of course, we are allowed to add things to help personalize the collection for ourselves. And then I did add one other thing that I don't think Janet did for this collection, but these ones here are the laser cut pieces. You've got stamps. Look, these ones here aren't even done, so you can pre-stamp them or add other elements. These ones are like little twines that look like they go around your photos already. Tabs, a coat hanger, and then this is all the pieces. Like you've got a gorgeous window frame, a vine. I don't know if they're connected or not. I haven't actually opened this up to find out, because especially with these laser cut elements, they all start to fall out and then it's hard to get them back in the packaging. So I will take those out on day 1. And then lastly is this 12 by 12 transfer sheet, which is rub-ons. And they are huge. Look at this. This is the size of like my hands. Do you see that? How huge they are. So they are really, really big. Here they are with a couple butterflies up at the top that the packaging's covering up. Oh, I can't wait to use these. And one of the things that I love about their rub-ons, 49 and Market's rub-ons, is all of these water spots throughout the entire thing. So you could take this entire sheet and lay it down on something and it's going to look fabulous. I wouldn't do that, but you could. All right, for the papers, again, it's all the Alena collection. We went with full collections this year instead of trying to pull papers that we might have from our stash to match. So we have the Alena papers, and then this piece here normally comes with a cut apart sheet on the other side. It does, yay. I just never know. It's like a surprise, right? So you've got all these extra cut apart sheets or extra cut aparts that you could use with... I am so sorry, you guys. It's a voice thing. My mouth needs to stretch because I talk too much. But yes, it's extra little bits and pieces that you get to add to your arsenal. I love this butterfly up here. It's like a olive green and that dark blue. It's not a flavor, it's a color. And then you've got all these others. They're just gorgeous. My favorite thing about this paper pack, though, other than all this distressing and whatnot, is the other side. I love the B sides of the 49 and Markets. I do love the A sides too because of all the colors and stuff. I love the branding strips on every single one of them. They're just fabulous. So yes, it's got a light blue on this one. This one here is gorgeous. I love this style because you can actually, tear it in half or cut it in half if you're not into tearing, and make a 2-page layout with them. Spread them apart and do a 2-page layout. I love that, you guys. Absolutely love that. And then, of course, it's this beautiful... Sorry, their papers are so thick I have to make sure I only grab one. But I love this. And then the branding strip again at the bottom is just awesome. This one's beautiful. Holy cow. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love me a good stripe. Look at that distressed stripe. That's my favorite. And then this beautiful polka dot branding strip. Love it, you guys. This is beautiful. Holy cow. Have I said that for every layout so far? Or every paper? I have. And then this. I just love this. I love it so much. It's not me. it for sure, this paper is not me, other than the fact that all of this stuff is grungy right here. But this is totally not a collection that anybody would ever see me purchase. But the colors, look at the faded, can you see those flowers inside? You can, okay. And then of course the branding strip, it's pink though. Not sure about that. Love the faded butterflies. Like they're coming out of the mess, out of the mixed media. Holy cow. So cool. Okay, I won't be using that piece at all. And then there's this one, which actually looks like a really cool double pager. Did you see that? Almost, huh? Yeah, because this one's, ugh. Yeah, on the other side. Look at how gorgeous this is. More distressed striping at the bottom. Just beautiful. Oh, I love it. This is so pretty. I probably would use it like this though, because it kind of seems weird. All that at the top. That just seems weird to me. But still beautiful. Love the colors. Absolutely love these colors. And then the other side is this peachy pink with the postage stamps. So one of the things that I added to this collection outside of what I think Janet has, I'm not sure if she has it or not. If she does, yay. If she doesn't, then I added it. But I added these washi tapes. Now they're not washi, they're fabric. So when you open it up and you pull it out, they are a fabric instead of a washi tape. So what I mean by a fabric, I think I've already opened one. I think I've already torn one apart. Let's just do this one because it's easier to see. So it's not as see-through. It's definitely thicker, a lot thicker, but it's also tearable. So you can sit there and rip it off. And now you've got that jagged edge that I oh so adore. Do you guys see that? Yeah, you guys can see that. It's so cool. Or you can keep ripping it. Sorry, it's super sticky. So you can definitely keep ripping it. It is really cool, but they call it fabric tape. And so I absolutely love, I love this stuff. And I can't wait to use it. It is a little dark on because it's fabric, right? You're not going to get the same intensity as if it was printed on a white piece of paper. But then I've got these dots that match that bottom half of the branding strip on one of the papers. So yay for that. I've got that, and then I've got this one here, which also matches another one of the branding strips, which is just a word with a bunch of paint splatters on the paper that the word is on, or fabric. And then you've got just a blue. So a really pretty blue. Yeah, I can't wait to play with these. In all honesty, it'll be my first, I think my first fabric, because I don't think I got into the 49 and Market Spectrum fabric washi just yet. But that is my collection that I will be using starting tomorrow. So, and it is week 4. It is our last week for collections, but then there are 3 days left in November. And so the first Monday will be a reveal of all the kits. It's going to show me what I have, or show you what I have left over from all the kits, and then I'm going to mix and match my collections and make 2 more layouts on Tuesday and Wednesday for those using the mixing and the matching of the collections. I have to say, you guys, I have a ton of leftovers, so I definitely won't be able to use it all in 1 or 2 layouts for sure, because I just have way too much stuff left over. So I might start off with these collections in the new year, when I start with my series that I love to do is the Scrap Your Scraps. No, it's Baby Got Scraps, because I love to start off my new year with using up all of my scraps, and then I have none to play with. I just pull out every single scrap that I've ever created or came up with in 2022 and use them up in January. And then what I don't use, I either make up my mind on whether I'm going to keep them in my stash, or I'm going to just pick a winner and donate them at the end of January. So anyways, long story short, that is what I have for you guys today, and I will see you guys tomorrow using this collection.